Hello students, this is Ms. J. I noticed that some of you have problems with question 16, 17, and 18 in the warm-up, so I would like to address that right now. Question 16. Mrs. Sims purchased 10 baskets. She placed 16 markers in each basket. She used 0.7 of the markers with her classes. Which equation can be used to determine M, the number of markers she used with her classes? So you have 10 baskets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10. And you have 16 markers in each basket, right? So you know that 10 groups of 16. So that would be 16 times 10, which is 160, right? When it says he's going to use 7/10 of something, right? 7/10 is 7 out of 10. So you have 10 baskets, and he's going to use 7 of this. Right? Oops, that's 8, sorry. So he's 7 of it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I should have used a different. Okay, so when it says 7/10 of something, that means 7/10 times the total number of markers. So first you need to do 16 times 10, right, which is 160. And he's going to use 7/10 of that. So times 0.7. So you can put parentheses or you don't, that's the same. This is all multiplication. So your answer should be this one. Okay, if that doesn't make sense to you, think about, okay, what does half of something means? Let's say you think about half of 10, right? Half of 10. Half of 10 is 5, right? You know that. So one way to do that, probably you think, oh, it's 10 divided by 2. The reason you can do it like that, because you're multiplying this and then you put this over 1, right? It doesn't change the value. So if you multiply 10 times 1, you get 10. And 2 times 1 is 2. So a half of something, that's mean a half time something. Okay? Okay, so let me, will it stay? Oh yeah, it will stay. Okay, so here we go. Question 17. Which expression can be used to represent this scenario? Trisha has 3 pounds of chocolate bar. Oh, 3-pound bar of chocolate. She ate 2/3 pound of the chocolate. Okay, so she's got 3 pounds of chocolate. 1, 2, 3 pounds. And then she ate 2/3 pounds. Right? When you ate it, you don't have it anymore. So you're subtracting 3, take away 2/3, and you can see it's equal to, you have 2 left, 2 and 1/3. Okay, so this is the answer for that one. The difference between this problem and this one said he's ate 2/3 pound of the chocolate. This one is said 2/3 of the chocolate, right? So he's got the same 3 pounds of chocolate. If he ate 2/3 of them, it would be what? How many is that? 2 of them, right? So that would be the answer. 2/3 of the chocolate is 2/3 times how much chocolate you have. So you need to read the problem really carefully for this problem, okay? It's the same for 19 if you read it. It says, Javier has spent 0.3 of his last month's earnings on new video games. So 0.3 of 200. So you say 200 times 3 tenths, right? Okay, so you can figure that out by yourself. I hope this helped.